Okay guys, so in this video I'll be teaching you how you can create a table in your website. So to create a table in your website, the first thing you need to do is to call out the table tag. This is how you call out the table tag. This. So any tag you are putting inside is going to be in between the table tag. For instance, let me bring this down. So you don't just do like this. For instance, let me just do this first. For instance, you don't just do like this. Let me just say this, and then you come here again to write the p tag again and write in. You don't arrange your code this way. One line, one row should occupy one code, then bring the next one down. This is how you arrange code, not that you just come here and then arrange your code this way. You won't understand what you are doing again. So this is how you arrange your code, row by row. So here we'll call out the table tag. But if you come here to view it out here, you can see that there's nothing here. So in table tag, to create a table tag, you have to use different tags here. For instance, this is the first tag, table row, tr. So the tr means table row. So after you call out the table row, you then call out the th. This th means table heading. So for example, let me do state here, and let me copy it again. Let me copy the other one here. So I'm going to show you how the table row works and how the th to work. Let me do capital here. So let us just view it and see how it works. Okay, yeah. So let me view it out here. So here you can see the reason why this text here is bold, is very bold, is because of the th. The th means table heading, and you know in our heading tag to make text bold as well. So this text and capital here, this is why that text is more bold, is because of the table heading. So the reason why this text and capital are in the same row is because of the table row. So for instance here now, if I should remove this here, let me try this first. If I remove it and put it down here, and then let me refresh, you can see that they are no more in the same row. So you can see state is up, capital is down. But if you put them inside the same table row tag here, and then refresh, you can see here, this is it here. So there's also a mistake some people are making in the class too. There's also a mistake here. Like for instance, someone added an heading tag in between the head tag and input some things here. Note, any text you add in between the head tag won't show on your web page. For let me refresh now. Okay, you can see here it show, but it's not a proper code. It's not a proper code. So even though you publish on your website, it will not show. So adding a text here, you adding a text in between your head tag, that's not the proper way of writing code. All your context should fall in between the body tag, not in between the head tag. Okay, so yeah, this is the table tag. So I've added some row and heading. So what I want to do, I just want to list out the state and capital we have. So yeah, we already have the state and capital, but this is not actually a table. So what we need to do here is, in between this table, like this table here, we are going to add an attribute. So the attribute I'm going to add there is, I'm going to add a border here. So the border, let me add 2 pixels and show you something, and then let me refresh. Now you can see the border here. This line around it here is called border. So the more, if you increase the border, like the more numbers you add there, the more your border will become bigger. So first I should add 50 pixels now, and then I should refresh. You can see how bold, you can see how thick it is. So I prefer using 2. So this is okay. So but if you want it to be like, if you want to change the width of your table, you can also come here and add the width too. You can add width to 50 pixels. So you can see here this looks more better now. So I want to add another row again, another row. Like I want to add another row for it to come below the set and capital. So the next thing I want to do, I'm going to add another table row again. So this time instead of me to add th, I want to add td. td means table data. So this table data I just want to write a single text that look like paragraph. So let me just write imo here, and let me put under td again. Let me write over here. So this imo here will fall under the state, and this over here will fall under the capital. Let's do it and see it there. So you can see it here. This is imo here, this is over here. So you can see here. Okay, so you can add more tr, you can add like you can add more than 100 tr. So let me just copy this and paste it here. Let me paste it here again. So you can see that we have four table row here. You can also add, like for instance, you can add more table heading here. Let me just copy this first. Slogan. So you can see here we have another th here. So you can see when I added this th, there's nothing under th. It's because we only have two table data each. So for instance, if you should add another table data here now, refresh, you can see now they fall under the slogan. So this is all for the table. You can see it's very easy. So please, if you have any question, kindly ask on the group. If you have any question again, please kindly ask on the group. Thank you. Shit.